Okay, so I'll not be taking much of the time. Thank you for joining the session. I think this is the first time that more people have joined, and I would like to thank everybody. Okay, so I wanted to discuss some of the sectors where we can see good action coming in the weeks. One is Nifty FMCG, and already we have given the waves on okay, Nifty FMCG and Nifty Pharma. I think you can see the screen. So, like I'll not be getting into the details of the sector analysis, but then I'll discuss some of the sectors which can perform well in the coming days, and some stocks which we had discussed in our previous sessions. Those also I'd like to discuss once again. I'd like to keep it as simple as possible. Okay, so this is the chart of Nifty FMCG. To name a few leaders, we have ITC, Nestle, Britannia, okay, and also Tata Consumer, Dabur, even we can say Colpal. So all of these stocks. So if you see here carefully, if we see from say for so many days, it is trading in this range. Okay, it is trading in this range. So if I want to find out the high and low point of this index, we can say this is the high point. May not get exact, but approximately 35,400 around, and this was the low point, or better take this low point. So 32,700. It is trading in this range from so many days. Okay. So now Nifty FMCG, along with this, the Nifty FMCG companies, I told no some of the names, they are also coming into very good buying zone. So this gives us buying opportunity. Okay. Now, as of now, what I can see in the chart is it is at a very crucial level where buy can be initiated. This is the level where I am interested to buy. Okay. So if I have to mark it, actually I don't buy at a particular point. Usually I recommend to buy in a range. So that is like in the 33,460 to 33,000 range, it becomes a good buy. Or now also at the present level also, if one is interested in buying for say some period of time, 1 month, 2 months, definitely we will get a good return. So it is the buying range. That's what I can see. And if somebody knows about EMA 20, so EMA 20, I'll get into the weekly chart. I have shared this in group also. What I saw very interesting thing in this weekly chart. So see, with respect to EMA 20, it is taking support here, 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. Now again, once again it has taken support here. Now it is taking support here. So it is reacting to EMA 20 on the weekly chart. So that's what history says. That's what history is saying. So now I think the sector is into a good buying level. Okay. And I can be wrong also. So everybody knows that trading is uncertain game. So in trading, we should play with proper stop loss and other things. So we can do a proper research and we can get into the things. Again, see this ITC, what I told, leader in Nifty FMCG, one of the leader. So this is very good range to buy. See how many times it has moved from this here, 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 almost here, here, here. So it has very strong base near this 200 range, very strong base. Now ITC has closed around, if you might be knowing, I think 202. So the risk to reward is very good. So you can, if you want to initiate your buy position now, definitely you can start buying. If you're a long-term investor, start buying now. If it goes down by 1 or 2 rupees, again buy some more quantities. Okay, if you're a swing trader, then you can initiate buy at current market price. Your stop loss should be 199. Your stop loss should be 199. So you can expect like minimum 10 to 20 rupees in the short term. So this is about ITC, and there are some more leaders, no? Britannia. I initiated a call in Britannia on the last Friday. Again, Britannia is also in the good range to buy. So if you see, like in this range, the buy can be initiated. We have a very strong support in this range. So you can see how many times it has reacted from here. Okay, here also, here also, here also, here also. But in Britannia, the stop loss is slightly like bigger. It comes around 3,380 or 3,400 level. Now this is 3,450. So one can accumulate Britannia also. It is at very attractive level, and it has given results also. Okay, and fundamentally, I'm not good at analyzing this, but definitely it is a stock like FMCG stock, safe bet, and as per my understanding, management commentary was very good. So it is at technically at a good level to buy. If you get into the other time frame charts, so see here also in this time frame, it is at very attractive level in this range. Definitely buy can be initiated. So that's what 3,300 range to 3,200 range is very good level to initiate buy position. So if I discuss one more stock which is leader, please wait a minute if somebody is trying to join. Okay, no. See, this is one more stock, Nestle India. Correct. I'll just show you higher time frame chart, how Nestle has performed. You get fair idea. Nestle, everybody knows, all the chocolates are of Nestle company. See this exponential growth. If you see this yearly chart from this year onwards, continuous uptrend. From 2017, it is continuously upside only. From 5,000, the stock has tripled. Okay, from 2017, say within 3 to 4 years, your money would have been tripled. Okay, if you consider dividend and other things, usually FMCG stocks are safe bets. That's what everybody says. Okay, and again, there is a strong base in this range for Nestle. Okay, now it is in the range only, in the range to buy, but there should be a stop loss for swing traders like 15,800 to 900 range. 15,900 range. Actually, stop loss would be perfect 900 range. Okay, so logically we can say sector is in demand, sector is reacting to crucial level, and other stocks are also at comfortable range to buy. So Nifty FMCG can be a good bet in the coming days. That is one thing. And Nifty Pharma, actually I track very closely Sun Pharma, others also, but Sun Pharma I track it very closely. So see Nifty Pharma, it is in the daily chart, it has given a breakout. Those who understand, okay, it has almost given kind of breakout. This was the recent high point. After this, here also it is trading like 52-week high point or lifetime high point. It is Nifty Pharma index is trading. So there is nothing bad for the sector due to COVID. Again, there is a boost in the sector. So definitely one can expect it will break out in days to come. So see here, we can say that here also profit booking came. Okay, in the subsequent week also profit booking came. This chart is of weekly, no? So here also we can see profit booking from this point to this point, sudden continuous buying from here to here. Here also profit booking started, but again very good buying from the bottom level. So that is why like we are expecting that pharma to perform well. There is no reason. Technically also there is no reason. Fundamentally also there is no reason. Due to this second wave of corona, again, pharma companies consumption will increase, no? So that's what it is also a safe bet. Okay. If I show you stocks, like we discuss pharma, I track it very closely because in some Sun Pharma, like some things are very good, some things are very good. Actually, it is a leader in Sun Pharma. Sorry, in pharmaceuticals, it is a leader company. Those who know it. After with this and Dr. Reddy, like they are very similar. They are very similar. Okay. Recently, it broke its 52-week high, not all-time high, 52-week high. So that was broken. It was around 650 to 660 range. Okay, now it is about to break out. See this monthly candle. Now I have opened this monthly chart. See this very strong monthly candle. Okay, so this is what we are seeing is a strong monthly candle which completed April 30. April was very good for Sun Pharma because it started moving from 590. Now it is around 660. Very strong green candle we can see. There is no sign of weakness, and 52-week high being tested here previous month, also here. So it has been tested twice. So there are very good chances that it will break out. It will break out. So that is the idea of Sun Pharma. And if you check the chart very closely, okay, so it has a potential to go till 1,000. No, all the pharma stocks are like they have given 2 times, 3 times return. Cadila, Granules, or Dr. Reddy, or you take any stocks, Lupin, okay, Pharma, all the stocks from their recent low, they have become double. But Sun Pharma, it has not means it is trading in a very tight range of 500 to 600 level. Now it has started moving. Let's see till what point it can go. But upside potential is good. Upside potential is good. If Nifty Pharma breaks out, then I think Sun Pharma will outperform other stocks because it's been like underperformer in the sector. It's been majorly underperforming in the sector. Okay. Then in the previous week we discussed about HPCL, that is in Petro. Okay. Also we discussed about BPCL. Just I'd like to show that what we discussed will not take much time. Even we were bullish on Reliance also. Okay, Reliance also comes under oil sector. We had drawn this. If you understand a trend line, so it had given a breakout, but I think it is still there only on the last day. Means yesterday, if you are tracking this, it started moving like 414 to 437. So that was the kind of move it gave, but still I think it is in very good tight range to buy. That's what I understand. And it will perform very well because it has created a strong base here, strong base, which is around 410 to 415. Even the other charts, if you see, there are indications of breakout. Okay, so if this range is able to cross, if this stock crosses this range comfortably, 437 to 440, definitely a good upside will come, which will take this stock to definitely again 20 to 30 points easy move will come. That is what is understood. That's what we can understand in the chart. But this chart is very interesting. In Petro, okay, see this. This was the move on the Friday from 228. Okay, I think it was up by 7%, 7 or 8%. Okay, due to some selling, it had calmed down, but definitely it has started moving upside. In coming days, you can keep a track on it. Okay, definitely, like it, as per the analysis, it will definitely cross 52-week high. That is what expected. And IOC, very good dividend yielding company. Okay, and it's like a safe bet. It also performed along like BPCL, HPCL. It also performed very well. From 88, it went till like 93. So nearly more than 5% move was on that day, which we saw. Okay, due to this selling, it came down. You see here, we have some selling points, or say zones where there is selling pressure. That's what it has come down. But if you start accumulating, definitely it may go to 100 plus also. Okay, those are my views, what I understand from the chart. Okay, and so we have discussed Nifty FMCG, Nifty Pharma. Anything we left out? If anything left out, Nifty Pharma, Nifty FMCG. Okay, even Nifty.
What's your view on Nifty IT?
Okay, I will just check. Nifty IT, in particularly in India, what those who have invested like in from last 10 years, no, they are like they are earning huge amount. One who is invested in TCS, Infosys, even they give bonus shares. Very good companies, but one should have patience. If you don't want to trade, if you want to seriously invest, Nifty IT is very safe bet. Very safe bet. In that, there are some good companies. Definitely, they are very good, very attractive. Nifty IT, what I can see in the chart, is it daily? So, okay. As of now, we can see consolidation. We can see consolidation in Nifty IT. See, so many these candles are not giving a good signal. Like it is trying to go up, but there is some selling coming due to different reasons. So many base candles is not good. At least we should see some good candle like this. Then we can expect some momentum. As of now, nothing is there good with respect to Nifty IT. So we can see Nifty IT is consolidating according to the charts. As soon as it is trying to go up, continuous selling pressure is there. Okay, we need some good green candle or some signal which which will make us interested in buying. Okay, so I think I will stop recording. Now we'll take